welcome to another video in Malta, and today we are in the southern coastal town of Marsaxlokk. I'm probably mispronouncing that, so please forgive me if I am. As you can see, it's a southern seaside town where it's known for its harbour. People go on boat rides. It's known for its fishing, so they bring in a lot of fish and stuff like that. And there's a promenade here. The reason I've come today, which is a Sunday, is due to the Sunday market. So we're gonna go check it out and show you guys around. There are boat rides here at different prices, and they're a lot cheaper than if you was to get at Valletta or Salima. So this is one of the places that I really have read about on Google, and so this place which does the cannolis, you can check out the reviews for yourself, but apparently, as you can see, there's no actual prices in the end. People talk about getting scammed because they pick up a few pieces and they expect to pay like higher amounts as well. So yeah, be aware and make sure you ask the prices before you actually commit to a purchase. So here you can see they got all other things, such as clothing, fruit and veg as well. And there's a lot of local produce, which is really great as well, as opposed to imported goods, which is something that I really like and I'm a big fan of. And along the promenade as well, there are a load of restaurants and coffee shops and things like that. So let me just quickly go out onto the road so you guys can have a quick look of that. So starts right over there and it carries on down, and I know you probably can't see it so well now, but there's loads of restaurants along this promenade. Parking was a bit of an issue because parking's very limited. The island produces a lot of olive as well, so you will find things like olive oils and vinegar and things like that as well.
Through the market or on the outside?
Here you can see they're selling some fresh catch. The size of these cherries are huge, and even the grapes are huge as well. So some of the stalls, they are starting to pack away. I believe the market does finish at 2 p.m, so bear that in mind. It's not on in the evening. It's from about 9 till about 2 or 2:30, probably pushing it. This is the initial square where you come to if you are coming by car, taxi or any form of transport. You see this tree here well, probably won't be a Christmas tree in the summer, but there's a big cathedral in the background. Here you can see a statue which symbolizes the heritage of it being a village for fishing, and you can actually see fish in the water here, so there's access to the sea from here. Amazing. It is very peaceful around here, and I may go on a boat ride as well. All different local spices and herbs, all for €1 each for a pack, which is a real bargain. Here you have another cannoli store. Again, pricing is not very clear, but I did overhear someone say 3 pieces for €20, which is just crazy. Is it? So this is coming up towards the end of the market now. Here we can see a lot of traditional Maltese food, which is very traditional Mediterranean food. So this is the end of the market now. So you get a rough idea. It's very walkable. It's not very big, and today is a nice warm day for it as well. So there's just a few more stores down here, and that is the end. So might be going on a quick boat ride. Just gonna select what the best one is for us. So we are now on the boat ride, which prices start from €5 and they go upwards depending on the duration of the trip and the distance. The one that we're on is 1 hour and 15 minutes, and it was €10 per person. And for a lot of activities, yeah, the activities for children under the age of 3 are free, which is ideal for us. And it is a nice day for it as well.
A 2 to musiało być duże. 2 to jest około 30 cm fali. Od około 30 cm. Taka typowa fala, taka normalna, zwyczajnie normalnie.
Zrobić mało dużego, nie powinno się wyjąć.
Tak, to jest znicza. No, teoretycznie. Ostatecznie
anni fa, 500 years ago, use it to fight against gli ottomani, baruffa con l'ottomano, con i turchi. L'altra parte, Pretty Bay, per Serbuglia, l'altra città, the other place, other city, it's Serbuglia, where is Pretty Bay. Where is Pretty Bay? Over there is a cargo ships only. It's important for the economy of the island, eh?
Yeah.
Importante per la nostra economia del paese.
Okay.
Questa qua, gas liquido per il luce del paese, sempre qua,
Petrol.
sempre qua. This ship, gas. This ship over here, it's a liquid gas for the electricity. We import gas, fuel, oil, we don't have. We import from outside, eh? And that is the power plant over there. Huh? Questa qua è un bunker di seconda guerra mondiale.
So that's a bunker from the Second World War, which was built by the British. And in the distance you can see a lighthouse, which is a famous lighthouse. It's the lighthouse Kalanka. It's a historical landmark.
Przewodnik robi ładnie to prawo, co robi mój kuzyn. Perfekcyjnie miesza włoski za
And I believe it might still be active. So they have the salt rocks here where they collect the sea salt from. Apparently it's sold here as well, so they must send the ships out or the boats out to this every single day to collect the sea salt. Here, look, you can see the water is very choppy. I'm not sure why it's very aggressive over there, if there's any rocks underneath or it's a mixture of two different types of waters.
Kalanka Bay. Questa baia Kalanka.
So I'm not sure if you heard the speech announcement, but this is Kalanka Bay. There are people on the sides. I know it's difficult to see from here, but there are people fishing from here. And I'm assuming a lot of people probably coming out, have a swim out here in the summer. Here you can see a little French boat. Oh no, it's one of the same ones that we're on. So here you can see there's a lot of people out here. There are people who have gone for a swim, but the water must be absolute freezing. It's not very deep. It's not very deep, so you can't stand in the water here. So this would be amazing in the summer.
This is a feature school here, huh? The popular bay we have. Questa baia è feature school. Solo rocce, only rocks we have. Only rocks. See, it's 20-21 degrees sea temperature. It's about 5 to 6 meters here.
So apparently the water is warm, and this is St. Peter's Bay. That's probably why so many people are going for a swim. Very interesting. So this is called Hafra Al Kabira. No, sorry, this is Hafra Al Sagira, the small bay or small opening, and the other side of that window, what that's called Hafra window, is Hafra Al Kabira. So it's a natural opening in between the two coves or the two bays, and it is beautiful, as you can probably tell. And yeah, this must be amazing in the summer. I'm assuming people will try to come and swim out here and maybe sit in between the two bays. The boat can't pass through there because obviously there is a ridge between the two bays. It's very nice.
Seaweed and rocks, eh?
Just 4 meters deep, which is not very deep at all, and it's crystal clear water. And I'm not sure if it shows on the camera how green it is, but it's just seaweed and rocks. I'm assuming it will be a lot more clearer in the summer with how bright the water is, how bright the climate is. So the boat is heading back now. We're going to go back to Marsaxlokk Bay, which will probably take another 10 minutes or so from here. That is a power plant in the background. So they store the gas here. Liquid gas. And they obviously send it over to the power plant.
Jak my mamy, no ale jakby na własny rachunek, nie? Myślę nad czymś takim samemu, ale jest ten strach, nie? Gdy wali coś tam, to parkujemy chyba na stałe, bo wiem na tej, że